Okay, I think this is my part 4 on the separator and what am I calling it? Hang on a second here. Filter separator and adapter for rainwater. Okay. The continuous flow of rainwater 3 urges waste 15 retained inside of the first, second, and third filter element 10, 11, and 13 towards the waste outlet 4. Is this a toilet? It almost sounds like a toilet. Where it's discarded. A small volume of discarded water, 16, which is mingled with waste. 15 is also discarded. The first filter, 10, and the third filter, 13, can articulate, expand, or retract according to the flow rate of rainwater 3 passing through them. Or a sewer lagoon. I don't know. Maybe it's a sewer lagoon. I don't know. A tilting calibrator 5 is provided in the upper part of the second filter, element 11, and is pivotally connected to the end of a rod 9. It's a fishing rod, probably. Sounds like a float or a sewage lagoon, maybe. The other end of rod 9 is pivotally connected to the upper part of the filter separator and adapter. Now, I mean, maybe some cities in the United States have a sewer lagoon and water collection for their water from the same place. Who knows? An adapter for rainwater volume. The assembly formed by the tilting calibrator 5, rod 9, and the first, second, and third filter elements 10, 11, and 13 is designed to adapt to the flow rate of the rainwater 3 according to the calibration. Now, thinking of the fires in California, if I wanted to save my house, I would not object to having shit from a sewer lagoon dropped on the house to put the fire out, if that's where they had to get the water from, by collecting the water, if they're concerned about it not being ocean water, but the sewer fresh water. During periods of heavy peak rainfall in second filter 11, which is attached to the rod, adapts to the flow of the water through changes in its angle of inclination 12, thereby expanding the filters 10 and 13 and increasing their filtering area to filter the maximum possible volume of rainwater 3. See figures 1, 2, and 3 respectively, associated with increased rainflow. The position of the first, second, and third filters 10, 11, and 13 is initially calculated to facilitate expulsion of waste 15 from the filtering device. The first, second, and third filters elements 10, 11, and 13 have steeper slope when there is a weak rainfall, which facilitates the